If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are solving previous year Tripura University questions on complex number. So in this lecture we will solve question number 1 to question number 5. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, if you see question number 1, find the modulus of this one. So you have seen what is the modulus of this one. Modulus of z is modulus of this one. So you can take modulus of this one. What is the modulus of this one? Under root 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 by root 2. So this is your answer. Now if you come to 2, show that 1 plus omega minus omega square to the power 5, 1 minus omega plus omega square to the power 5 is equal to 32. If I start with LHS, what is 1 plus omega? 1 plus omega plus omega square is equal to 0. We will use this one. So 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So it is minus omega square by 5. And in 1 plus omega is minus omega, so minus omega, so it will be minus 2 to the power 5, omega square to the power 5 means omega 10. It is also minus 2 to the power 5, omega to the power 5, because minus 2 omega to the power 5. So if you take minus 2 omega to the power 5 common and omega to the power 5 common, this is omega square, which is minus 32, and this one you can write it omega cube whole cube into omega. So what it will become? Omega 9 into omega 10. Why I am going for omega cube? Because omega cube is 1. So I will always go to omega cube and I will write as much close as I can reach up of 10, which is a multiple of 3. So I have reached up to 9, 1 extra, that's why I have written 1. You reach as close as that power you can be in terms of multiples of 3. Means what is the closest multiple of 3 near to 10? 9 is the closest multiple of 3. 3 3s and 9. So it is 1, so it will be minus 32 omega. This is also 1 omega square. This is minus 1, so it will be 32. That is true. Now if you come to 3, find the argument of this one. So this is your z, 1 minus root 3i. So this you can plot it, then you can find it. If you plot it, there is no chance of going for any mistake. Otherwise you have to remember formula for different quadrants. There is no need. So this is 1 comma minus, this is 1, x is 1 and y is minus. So this is 1 comma minus root 3. So what will be this angle theta? So you can say therefore argument z will be equal to minus, because it is minus direction. You can see it is minus. Your answer should be minus 180 to 180, because it was minus pi to pi, including pi, not including minus. This point comes, you will give it 180, not minus 180, because this is the principal value. If the data doesn't mention anything, that means you have to write the argument in principal value format. So it is, you can see tan inverse. This is root 3, this is 1, tan inverse root 3. What is tan inverse root 3? That is 60 degree. Or you can write it minus pi by 3 also in terms of pi. Number 4, find the value of this when x is equal to this. This is given x cube minus 7x square minus 2x plus 88, where x is equal to 5 plus I root 3. So if you put it there, you can directly find it is, you can directly put it, it becomes a little lengthy if you put it, but you have to do it. So if you open it, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and then minus a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 10 minus 2 root 3i plus 88. So if you just simplify it, it will be 125, then 75 root 3i, and I square is minus 1, so it will be minus 1, minus 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 9s are 45, minus 7 into 125 will be 175, 5 2s are 10, then 7 is 70, 70 root 3 I minus 1, so it will be plus 21. If you take the real values, so these are the real values. 4. You kindly check the calculations, and these are the imaginary values. 1 2 3. So 75 minus 70 is 5, then 5 minus 2, it is 3, so 3 root 3. If I am not correct, if I am not wrong in calculation, you please check this calculation. It is simple calculation, just a square b square, you check it. If there is anything wrong is there, you put it in the comment box. Now if you come to 5, prove that sine this one, sine of I log a minus b by a plus ib is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square. So we'll start with RHS, LHS, that is sine I log a minus iv by a plus iv. This logarithm of a complex number, that I have shown it in advanced level theory. You will find in intermediate, the last topic that I have explained in the theory. You kindly check it there. I thought that it will not be required for basic level, that's why I put it there. So you can check it there. It was log of z was, I am writing the formula, log of r plus I theta. That was the formula. So you can put it there. It will be I log, what is r? Here r is the modulus. Modulus is here under root a square plus b square. And then plus I, what is the theta? You can think what will be the theta here, because it is a minus ib. So a minus ib is somewhere at this point, a minus b. So it will be minus tan inverse b by a, because that is the angle. Or you can write it theta also. Suppose it is minus theta. Or let me write it in this way, so that it will be easy. So a minus ib, I will put it r cos minus theta plus I sin minus theta. And a plus ib is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. This I will write let, where r is equal to under root a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b by. So I will put this value at the end. What is log a by b? So first you have to write it there. It will be log a minus ib minus log a plus ib. Then you put this formula. So it will be sine I, what is log a minus ib? This one. Log r plus log I theta. So it will be log r plus, it will be minus here because theta is here minus I theta, minus, it will be log r plus I theta. So many brackets are there, don't get confused. So if you open it, it will be log r will get cancelled. So in the bracket you will get sine I. If you open it, log r get cancelled, so it will be minus I theta minus 2 I theta. So you will get it sine 2 theta. I square will give you sine 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is here because theta is this one, so tan theta is equal to b by a. So you put it there, b by a, you got the answer. So if you put it there, it will be 2 into b by a divided by 1 plus b square by a square. So on denominator it will be a square plus b square, and that a square will come up to b by a into a square. So it is 2ab by a square plus b square. So check this one. This one I have explained in that theory. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.